Who is?
Who is it? Bitch. Who is it?
Hello.
What the fucking is these seen us? Hello?
I'm not Zesty. I am Zesty. Just a little. Supply drop. Don't pick up a random coin.
The pepper double walking on, what's that? It's the bitch that killed me at the start. And run away, prick.
No, I'm off to sleep. Okay. Can I go?
Arcade Scout. Go to. Shots for the killer.
Wait! I'm distracted. You can't do that. And shush, child. Who's child? Who's shushing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Potter whore.
You're a putter from whore. You did not call. Justice for Justin? Okay. I was distracted.
What happened with Justin?
Or he don't even follow me, so he would have had to search up. Wait.
Look at the galaxy. I tickle my Mickey. Why don't you call me off for helper?
Oh, what was that? We're just gonna ignore what I just done. I done nothing. We're gonna go back this way. Ah, we, how we? Oh, not so we. It's a person. We. Oh my god, bro! I was 17 with him. He was. I'm sorry, you were 17. He was 23. Oh, oh, that's
Right,
two
I want
people.
this grappler so bad. Holy shit, my men's just wide open.
You are a victim, Ellie. That's fucked up. Why did you think that was a good idea? Oh, okay. Bye! I said hun? Wait, you said hun.
I tickled him with contact.
None?
Touch their men's until they bleed.
What the fuck?
Yeah, we're getting rocked up on that by the whole
Yep.
Mongol mower.
One down.
One down. How many are left?
Are we? I don't know, we need to shot from far away. No, correct.
You got two down now. What do you mean?
Danny, that's the one that was thinking me was. Oh. He's gonna die in his sleep.
Oh,
He's gonna
okay.
die in
You
his
just
fucking
say
sleep.
thinking, just
We can murder him in his sleep.
That's the probably one that went out, okay.
And go for a shower. Alright.
Now we're getting Kata, yo.
Are you off? Okay. Thank you for the games, Burrito.
Now fuck you, little burrito.
That's a whole lot of spraying. Who left? Work tomorrow? Bye-bye. I'm Burrito.
Burrito left.
Okay.
And drop me all your metal. All your metal and wood right now. You don't need it.
Which need to, please?
Please.
None of yous have fucking manners.
Wait, I was gonna say don't walk up on them so I could bang them from the back if you know. Hey man. Go down there.
There's one in there too.
Shit, man, tell them that wall. Cover your back, bro.
I don't want to.
This kid's behind us.
I missed. You missed me.
missed.
This motherfucker gave me back shots. That's a crazy sentence, but we try kill him. Oh, fuck.
his ass.
Okay.
I killed it tilted. Wait, you ready for this dropper? 3, 2, 1. Right there.
Are you ready? He's not ready. He wasn't ready. Dead.
I'm dead.
Hey, I can use your help.
I'm dead.
Dead.
I'm dead.
I'm somehow
Mommy.
still alive.
What the fuck? How are you alive?
I don't know, but they're trying to
How many have you
res.
killed?
2.
How many are left?
Oh, fuck me. 1, he's resing. And then there's another one
Two
creeping
there.
around the top of the hill. I
I need white heels, bro.
They murdered me. There's no way. Damn it.
I need white heels. All these bandies in there.
He gave me back shots
You're a
also.
smart boy.
I gave him back shots first. He needed his friend to touch him up just to come back and kill me. I'll take it. I'm fine with it.
Back shots?
Back shots?
Front shots?
No, back.
Nah, side.
Do you know what mod?
So mark circle, pretty please.
Up shots. Up shots.
Down shots.
Mark. Creepy. And good shots. What else you got, burrito?
He's got a burrito, I'm telling you now.
Vanishing shots. Vanishing shots. 360 shots.
Horizontal shots.
Vertical shots.
Mm,
Like what?
They really said firing squad.
I'm sorry, but what the fuck is this? Is there only one team? There's
This is insane.
like what?
Oh, fuck me. You're going all the way here too. Did it mark? Did it mark? Holy
This is like
fuck!
cream pie full. Like,
Gross. Was it that same team or was it a different team? Ew, explosive shots, up and down side shots, up and down side shots.
anal
What in
shots.
the fuck? Wifey, oh, she went. Fuck. She's in the shower, right?
Oh, titty titty you.
Buttercup! Lexi didn't know where to go in there.
Titty titty.
Can we play pubs?
Pubs? We can do pubs.
Get on there,
Doing it.
unks.
Yeah, unks. I can't call you unks.
Yeah, daddy, get on. There's a name you can call it.
And can I get justice? You want
What's he
justice?
supposed to do? Take the shots like a good boy or something?
What? What? Wait, what?
Okay.
Oh my days, block him. Come and chat nicely.
Yeah.
God damn.
Oh, you know
Buttercup.
how my mic's working?
Come here, Buttercup.
I'm using the fried
Come
cord on
play.
the fried Xbox.
Porn
You're
star.
playing the fried porn star.
Heidi,
The
my.
fried chord on your fried Xbox.
On my fried controller.
Oh,
There's
fun.
no other cords with the
I thought
controllers, so I'm using
Ali's
the fried cord.
showering. Thank you for the
She
game,
washing her
burrito.
ass.
Holy
Ow.
fuck. What in the fuck was that?
My what a oh.
Hold on, Khan. Buttercup might join. Okay, come on, Khan. Justin's saying Khan. someone else play? Stop giving up your damn spot.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Oh, she's using her mum voice. Hurry up.
Heidi Mike.
Ooh.
Don't send a Snapchat.
Mm-hmm.
Don't send a Snapchat.
Yeah, those are the Snapchat. Get your ass on the game.
Listen.
Buttercup.
Porn star Heidi Mike.
Bro, I moved car parks and these boys decided they still want to park behind me. I moved away from them and they legit still park behind me. Did you get out and scrap them? You should have got out and scrapped them. Get on the game.
Are you just reading that?
What is that name? Is that you, Khan?